Hi guys, welcome to Abipravi. In this video I am going to show implementation of algorithms in Python. First let's get started with fizz and buzz algorithm. For fizz-buzz algorithm let's imagine a series of numbers from 1 to 10. Fizz and buzz refer to any number that's a multiple of 3 and 5 respectively. In other words, if a number is divisible by 3, it is substituted with fizz. If a number is divisible by 5, it is substituted with buzz. If a number is simultaneously a multiple of 3 and 5, the number is replaced with fizz-buzz. In essence, it emulates the famous children game fizz-buzz. To implement this algorithm in Python, we need to create a list with numbers range from 1 to 10. And then we need to iterate the numbers and make them to match with our condition and find the value fizz-buzz. Let's see an example program in Python. Create a list called number and add numbers from 1 to 10. Now in for loop. For num in numbers, create a condition inside a for loop. If num equals 3 it will print fuzz. Or else if num equals to 5 then it will print buzz. Now run the code and the output. It will print fuzz and buzz. Thank you for watching. If you like our video give like. Any queries? Comment. If you are new to our channel, subscribe.